Hi guys, I'm Nick with TechRadar. Now, chances are you're working from home like myself and the rest of the TechRadar team. Now, with the whole world pretty much stuck inside, video conferencing apps are soaring in popularity. With the general restriction on VoIP services here in the UAE, there aren't that many choices available to us. But during these times on COVID-19, the TRA has opened up Zoom to allow users to have voice and video conferences from their computer or their smartphone. Zoom is a fairly easy app to sign up for and use, though there are some things you should know about it. Contrary to what the company states, there are reports that state that there is no end-to-end encryption on it, and it also has come under fire recently by using the Facebook Connect sign-up method. We thus recommend using your email to sign up with, and please don't repeat a password you've used somewhere else. Use a password manager to generate a strong random password to sign up with instead. With that in mind, here's how to sign up for Zoom and set up your very first video conferencing call. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the Zoom dashboard where you can set up your first meeting. Simply type in a subject, set a date and time, and invite people via their email address. They'll then get a link to your meeting and can easily join the call once it begins. For mobile users, the process is pretty much the same. Simply download the app from your relevant app store and sign up or sign into your account. Once logged in, you can join existing meetings or create new ones, all with just a few taps. And that's how easy it is to set up your very first Zoom meeting. Remember to stay safe out there, and for everything else in the world of tech, keep it locked right here to techradar.com.